Hey everyone, let me ask you a quick question. How much time do you spend writing product descriptions? If you're running an e-commerce store or managing multiple clients, you know that optimizing every listing for SEO can be a nightmare. But what if I told you there's a way to generate high-quality, SEO-friendly product descriptions in seconds? Meet SEO4retail, the AI-powered tool that helps you create product descriptions that rank higher and sell more. SEO4retail makes it super easy to craft SEO-optimized, brand-consistent product descriptions at scale. Instead of manually writing hundreds of listings, you just enter a few details, and the AI handles the rest. That means more traffic, better rankings, and increased conversions, without spending hours tweaking keywords and formatting. Here's how it works. Just enter some basic product details, choose your preferred tone and style, and boom! SEO4retail generates a high-ranking, well-structured product description in seconds. And because branding matters, you can customize the tone, language, and content guidelines to match your brand identity. Got a huge product database? No problem. You can upload your entire inventory using an XLS or CSV file, and SEO4retail will auto-generate descriptions for every item, saving you hours of work. Whether you're an e-commerce seller, a marketer, or an agency managing multiple stores, SEO4retail is the ultimate tool to help you scale your content and boost sales. Why struggle with SEO when you can automate it with AI? Get lifetime access to SEO4retail today and start driving more traffic to your products. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more game-changing tools like this. See you in the next video.